tradition has the root connection of the Patanjali Yoga.
Of course, I mean it's the ancient thing, no doubt. Patanjali used the same thing, but he used a gradual method because that was the slow method. Like उस जमाने में बैलगाड़ी use करते थे ना. Now we are using motor cars, so that is three. But the time has come. This time has been predicted in a Nadi Granth. If you can get hold of Nadi Granth written by Bhrigu Muni, long time back, that such a time is going to come.
Here, asanas and pranayams are very popular. We do the postures, but in Sahaj Yoga, is there a place of doing the yoga postures? Or
No, we do it, you see,
breathing?
whatever is needed. Here, you see, this is a very half-baked knowledge. And what happens that like any half-baked person will take all the medicines from the medicine box, like that they go on doing it without understanding whatever is suitable to a personality. Every personality is different. Moreover, when the Kundalini rises, you know at what chakra it is stopping. And that is the chakra you work out. Supposing now there's a chakra in the center heart, we call it, it is caught up. Then there is an asana you can do. Some people have to do Paschimottanasana if their Navi is caught up. But all these asanas are done according to the need of the chakras, which wherever is the Kundalini stopping. But the modern yoga is so funny that it is just, they do all kinds of things left and right without understanding what's the matter with them. It's very indiscreet and it causes problems. It can give a heart attack.
So all these, only those asanas are important which are connected
No, we
with...
use all the asanas, but which are related to some sort of a problem within us. Otherwise we don't do any asana. Pranayama also is all right for certain type of people, but not for all. Those who have certain problems can do pranayama. But everybody does pranayama, they'll develop into big problems. They will never get realization also. It's very imbalanced.
So pranayama helps, but it is not the central point.
No, pranayama helps related to the chakras. If supposing your right heart is catching, then you have to do pranayama, but which side? It's a very complicated thing. It is to be adjusted. That's why they said it's to be done by an enlightened guru. Patanjali would not allow anybody who is not enlightened to do all these things. Here everybody is teaching everything, isn't it?
One thing I have noticed that everyone here, all devotees, they are always taking their palms outwards.
Yes, because this is a sympathetic nervous systems. You see, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, these are 7 chakras. And these 7 chakras get vibrations. This is the all-pervading power, see, everywhere. And when they put their hands like this power starts flowing into them. In my presence especially, it works faster. So they want to feel it because it gives you energy, vitality. There are 3 powers in this one power. So they want to take this. Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati and Maheshwari, all the powers are flowing in this atmosphere. And they just want to take that.
And yesterday you strongly campaigned against alcoholism and cigarette smoking.
Did I? Normally I avoid. But that was the last day, so I said I better go tell them.
It is very important. So, do you think that Sahaj Yoga also will help to eradicate the drug addiction?
Of course, it does. It takes away all your habits. Because you see, spirit cannot have any habits. It takes away every... Overnight people have given up drugs in the West. Overnight.
So, did you start reaching Sahaj Yoga from London?
No, in India only.
In which year?
Yes. That was in 1970. And then my husband got elected to this job. He got elected to this job of Secretary General of International Maritime Organization. He was chairman of Shipping Corporation. Then he became the Secretary General of International Maritime Organization. It's like, you see, there are 14 Secretary Generals in the UN. One of the agencies. Like WHO is one agency, this is one agency. So I went down there. That's how I was in England.
And then you start...
Yes, very difficult though with English. Horrible nuts.
Precious here, they are very much involved with you, with your philosophy, with your preachings, with your ideas.
Who are involved?
Here we see, and there are so
I'm sorry what I'm saying about English. Yes, it's all right. They don't mind. They know that. They have themselves facing them. You see, every day they poor things have broken their hands. You see, doing this raising of the Kundalini. They themselves know. They don't mind what I say. They are no more English. Now they are international.
they are human beings.
They are human beings.
And is it important, Mataji, to be vegetarian for practicing?
No, not at all. The vegetarians are difficult also. They are go to another extremes also. You must have balance. You must have protein food in your body.
As the Gita said, the sattvic food.
Yes. No, sattvic is, I don't know what they mean by sattvic means the what we say that sattvic food is the one that is vibrating, which is vibrating, which is being given vibrations. That is for us sattvic food. Not this kind of sattvic food that if you eat only bhaji pala, then you are sattvic. No, they are never sattvic.
So whatever diet should be.
Whatever is the balancing. See, some people, like in England, I say you should become vegetarians. And in India, I say you better become non-vegetarian, especially Marwadis, because their ladies have such weak muscles, you know. They can't even walk after 50 years of age. So it's very, and they get all troubles of the muscles, they get the shaking of the muscles, the heart becomes very weak, they get anginas, all these troubles come because the muscles are so weak. So they must take protein diet, that's the main point. And the subtle point, you can say they must have more protein diet. But ज़्यादा ये खाते हैं ना बेकार की चीज़ घी वगैरह, that must be given up.
Can you tell me something about your hobby life?
My life? Now what should I tell you? I slept at 4 o'clock last night.
I wanted to know something about that too.
What should I tell you?
When did you
Start
started to feel
1970, I started. Actually, I was born like this, in a very enlightened family, I should say. My father was a very enlightened man, and he was member of the assembly, Central Assembly. He was the member of the Constitution, Constituent Assembly, Parliament. My mother was a honors of mathematics, and my father was a scholar of Bangla language. Very much. From him I learned Bangla.
Is his name?
His name was Mr. P.K. Salve. We have a road in his name, we have got his statues.
Mr. P.L.
P.K.
P.K.
Salve. S-A-L-V-E. Actually, we come from, originally from Rajputana. And there's a dynasty called Shalivahana. We are from that dynasty, Shalivahana. You might have heard the name of Shalivahana.
Shalivahan?
Shalivahan dynasty. They have also a calendar. Now, this dynasty ended up in Ahmednagar, near Ahmednagar. And then my father's mother shifted from there to Indore. And that's how they came down to Madhya Pradesh. And that's how I was born in Chhindwara in Madhya Pradesh. Because that's the central point, and it's on the Tropic of Cancer. That's one. Very few places are on. Mecca is also on Tropic of Cancer, and this Chhindwara is also on Tropic of Cancer. Cancer is the mother, you see. That's why I was to be born there, and in that place.
And from which age you started practicing the spiritual practices?
No, I was born like this only, and I never practiced anything. Because I was born like this, so what is there to practice?
No, when did you started to feel that you are...
From very childhood. From very childhood, I was born like that. I felt, as you know from your childhood that you are a human being, I knew I was something else from my very childhood. Very conscious of it, very aware of it.
And your parents were also...
Of course, my father was very much. Even my mother does.
Is there any permanent training center of Sahaja Yoga in Calcutta?
Problem, you better ask these
It
people.
is in 24 Cambridge Street on Saturday, 6:30. And on Sunday, Safari Park, on Safari Park,
Namaste, आइए
8 to 9.
आइए यहाँ जगह दे दी.
Salt Lake, this is the address of Salt Lake.
Okay, I'll take that. Who is your guru?
Huh?
Guru?
I have no guru. I am Ma. Ma doesn't have guru. Ma is the guru of the gurus. How can she have guru?
Papaji, can you give us some meditation, easy meditation techniques for our readers which they can practice by reading this article?
You see, you give my photograph, all right? And
We have taken your
all right.
photographs.
So give my photograph. Ask them to put both the hands towards the photograph. They might, most of them, feel the cool breeze in the
They
hand.
should put their hands like this.
Okay. And say that, Mother, are you the Divine Mother? That's all. And they get the cool breeze in their hands, most of them. If they don't get it, they should try to write to these people and they will tell them what is the problem with their photographs.
With the photographs. Photographs they will get from our magazine. because
Yes,
we
no,
will
that's
print
all right. But
photographs.
when they want to find out what's wrong with them, or
Then
if
they
they are
can
sick,
contact
supposing
Mr.
they are sick,
Jalan.
जालान साहब के पास अपना फोटो खुद का फोटो दे
Acha, his own
yeah
photograph.
their own photo.
Oh, acha, okay. And how long they should practice this?
No, not necessary. You
concentration?
see, 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. Very simple it is. If they write to him, he will tell them what is to be done. So not much to be spent because you are in meditation all the time. You are in meditation, don't have to do meditation. You just do little cleansing like this, that's all.
Thank you, Nadi, for everything.
I got this. इनका तो जरा आइए सामने में आपको पार करा देते हैं. आप भी योगा करते हैं क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it's on the, you see, you're catching on the right heart, as we say. So try to understand what is the use of yoga. Because like if a car is moving, and then you know where is obstruction, you know how to turn your car, isn't it? But if you just keeping the car here standing, if you move the car, what's the use? In the same way, when the Kundalini is not moving, see, if you try to do something about it, then you spoil your chakras. जैसे अभी आपको जो है लेफ्ट हार्ट पकड़ आ रही है, इसलिए पसीना आ रहा है. किसी को और लेफ्ट हार्ट जो है is very important in surgery. So we have to pay attention actually to our spirit, not to our body. If you pay attention to our spirit, everything is looked after. You get rid of all your diseases. We have cured all kinds of diseases like cancer, this, that.
Even
So
the
yeah,
cancer?
of course,
Isn't cancer?
of course. And those who get realization never get cancer.
That's very good. Great
Well,
thing.
that is your own power. I'm doing nothing. You have got it. Just you have to be awakened, that's all. Then you can awaken others. All right?
That's very good.
May God bless you. What's your name?
My name is Mukul Datta.
Mukul.
Mukul Datta.
Datta. अच्छा अभी आप भी are you from some newspaper?
No, I'm not. But I could be.
कलकत्ते के
हाँ? अच्छा अब क्या बताइए हुकुम करिए.
Listen to Mother and take it. The people have been working very hard. Its audience is traveling and just
हाँ
Because he will be right for the newspaper.
just listen quiet.
बहुत सुंदर है.
100
100 साल पुराना. आपका हाल ठीक है? I think you should not sit next to him, you sit this side. Because both of you, no, but you sit this side, why I'm saying, reason is this boy has been affected by the same as you were affected. So you should not share, है ना? उसको भी तकलीफ हो जाएगी. Sit anywhere you like. And now you move out. Where is your wife?
She is. Just get up.
अच्छा नमस्ते. अब ठीक होगा ना? अच्छा, अब आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ये प्रोग्राम आप लोगों ने इतना